Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Share me cause I missed you guys. How have you been? Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Báwo ni iṣẹ́? Báwo lára ilé? Ṣàlàáfíà ni gbogbo yín wà? If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Learn Yoruba with a channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba language. You will definitely love it here. So go ahead now and subscribe to this channel. In today's video, you're going to be learning something uncommon, something unusual, something that will help your daily activities, in conversing with other people in Yoruba language. Trust me, pick your pen and Bible and let's learn together. We're going to be talking about how to describe woman's weight. We have those that are fat, chubby, slim. Yeah, we are going to be discussing how to describe them. We particularly have two major categories for people's weight: fat and slim, right? So let's get straight into the video. Now for fat, we have different ways to say people are fat or chubby in Yoruba language. The first one is Sanra. Sanra, that's the most common one. Sanra. O Sanra, one Sanra. O Sanra, mo Sanra, mo Sanra. Or you say Ori Rumu. Ori Rumu. Ori Rumu. Mostly used for someone that is not too fat and not too slim, like this, just chubby, Ori Rumu. Ori, ìwọ gangan rí rùmùrùmù, mo rí rùmùrùmù, wọ́n rí rùmùrùmù. Or you say Otobi. Otobi. Tobi means to be big. So when someone is fat, all those beautiful, bold women, ladies, even giant men, Otobi. 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 Mutobi. Otobi. Or you say Orobo. Orobo. You will not say Orobo. Orobo. Oroboni. Oroboni. Orobo is like a Yoruba slang, yes, that says someone is fat, someone is chubby. So, but sometimes it might sound insulting. Some people use it for in an insultive manner, but it doesn't supposed to be like that. So just be careful of who and when you use it. So Orobo. Orobo. Oroboni. Oroboni. Oroboniwa. Now you want to add more sauce to it again, you say Orobo Kibo. Orobo Kibo. Orobo Kibo. Orobo Kibo. Then the next one is Olara. 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 Molara. Ara means body, we all have body, yes, but like extreme body more than others like me. So Olara. There's even one TikTok sound that went viral, I think a month ago. Olara, Olomi. If you are familiar with TikTok, you have heard it. So that's what it means. Olara, Olara, Molara, Olara, Molara. At least they're fat, they're chubby. Or you say Olomilara, Olomilara, Olomilara. Yeah, Yoruba has different ways to just beautify and describe something. So Olomilara. So you can either say Olomilara, Molomilara, Molomilara, or you say Osanra, Otobi, Olara, or you say Oroboni, Oroboni one. Now let's move to the other part, that is slim. Yeah, for slim you can just use all the attributes to describe fat and use it in an opposite way. What do I mean? Example is, Sanra is fat, right? So you can say Kosanra. Kosanra. Kò lómi lára. Wọn ò lómi lára. Mi ò lómi lára. Wọn ò lára. Kò lára. Mi ò lára. O ò lára. O ò sanra. Mi ò sanra. Mi ò tóbi. Kò tóbi. Kò tóbi. Wọn ò tóbi. Wọn ò kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀. Mi ò kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀. O ò kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Or you say lẹ̀pa ni. Ó lẹ̀pa. Or lẹ̀pa ni. Ó lẹ̀pa. Lẹ̀pa ni. You want to add more sauce to it, you say lẹ̀pa ṣándì. Lẹ̀pa ṣándì ni mí. Lẹ̀pa ṣándì ni ẹ́. Lẹ̀pa ṣándì ni mọ́. Lẹ̀pa. Lẹ̀pa. Or you say ó tínrín. That is, that person is so slim, more of like thin. Yeah. Ó tínrín. Wọ́n tínrín. Mo tínrín. O tínrín. Or you say orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. When someone is slim and all those model bodies. Orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Mo rí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. All those slim, slender people. So orí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. So let's brush off what we've learned. Sanra, fat. ó lára, ó lómi lára, ó sanra, ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀ ni. Other means to be fat, to be chubby. Now for the slim, we say kò lára, kò sanra, kò lómi lára, kò lára, kò tóbi, kò kìí ṣe ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀, or lẹ́pa ni, lẹ́pa ṣándì ni, ó lẹ́pa, ó tínrín, ó rí lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Learn something. Then let me know in the comments. Let me know if you find this video helpful. And do not forget to subscribe for more. Like this video. Follow me on TikTok, same username. I love you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.